Kurua ase Cornelius Onyancha kurua bumachoge burabuto koirana goikase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Wasenko manyigwa sobo kiranuna nigo aboroki wa mona aborokia kurua se skuru ya sekondari ya Kioge yura se bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii nigo basangu mu basorero asobo sumekibwe mete se skuru yune nchire yemo yogo kwandra makongu au yakorento kubwatekana no gonchoreria kwelire imeyense ya Kenya ukwanekere kyo nigo babolirie chinse chire chiagendereire kugenderera gusiro rugongo rwa Africa nonyana bo nigo baruro kubule guchia sekiombekeria getenerete chinsana kubasira sokonyore mete ebwenderete iliyo gosimeka ase eskuru eyo roboti eyo niyo yabe kweli ogina Diana Gisoi nabo igokwaligani na Eric Maube.
Nase skuru ya sekondari ya Kiogo imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii ase aborokia amona aborokiwa bachakia omoroberi obwo bosimeke mete ase lituko linene lye chinse cha Africa koligia gosirwa eligotanga amabe akolentwa kobwatekana no gonchoreria kwelire ase batebire buna orogongo rwa Africa nigorore negurube enene kobwatekana no gosirwa kwebirengo byanse.
Today is a Global Action Day on Climate Finance. We are cognizant that Africa has suffered greatly on the matters concerning climate financing. The Global South, which comprises of all countries in Africa, they bear the cost of all climate issues in the world, and yet they are underfunded.
Tango kwana ekerekyo omorokia Charles Omote nigo abolirie chinse chiria chiagendereire koene kiabuna ngobwatoka chire chibesa chiogosira orogongo rwa Africa na kobolia okolengana niwa asobo bagi kobwatiwa buna Africa nigere egatie chinse chiria chiokonyora wanse.
So today, as a Global Action Day on Climate Finance, we have decided that we stay in solidarity with the other countries in Africa to demand for three things. Number one, we demand for a pay up on the debt that has remained to be a burden in Africa for many years. Number two, we know that the Global North has been underfunding all climate issues in Africa. And so for that reason, we are calling for the Global North to start funding African countries on matters concerning climate change. The number three, we are also concerned about the transformation on how financial systems are being carried across the world that cuts across all countries that are affected on climate change.
Nonyana bo nigo babolirie ababwatani koligereria engane yo asobwango asomorokyo monene bwe skuru eyo boigo abolirie abana inchi gotasimeka emete yemelingamu ase chingegu che chindoche elioko enekia buna tichiri go kama
se bali ba minto bagosimeka emete gotoko baeni kare jitosimeke emete lietari kungusa mache angene chindoche buna program tuchisimeka ale kuruorro tobeke mete ya kienyeji elinde na lichindoje checho tira kendera gotwara chire na mache nto twaro mochando.
I would like all of us to be the agents of conserving the environment and also preaching against pollution.
Asense moyende nigo babolirie kyombekeria getenenerete chinsana amona babwatani bande kobasira asokonyora emete isaine na gosimeka ase sukuru eyo bunenchereye mo yokobirenda ebinto bitwetana ine.
Bune sukuru ya Kiogo nabo twale kobolia department ya forestry elinde tokonya sokonyore mete eye turabe to gosimeka naende boigo nona asichinsemo chitwetana inega sebigorobira elinde totwarana a day for our area here tosimeke mete asogo konya mangana masingira ase kenyoleke gitu kia Kiogo
mba tuweze kupewa nafasi, tuweze kupewa miti, tuweze kupanda kwa wingi ili angalau tuweze kuhifadhi mazingira yetu.
Kolipoteri ya Korwa Etaya TV Eliane Diana Kwamboka Gisoi.